Welcome back, lovely people, to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us a code you can use on the Shein app as a new app user, okay? Emphasis on as a new app user. You search this code on the Shein app and you're offered €60 allowance. If you're in the US, $60 allowance. Wherever country you are, you get it in your currency, okay? Now, what do you do with this allowance? You use it to shop free items. Any item you want, it's just capped at the €60 you're giving, all right? All you need to do is to type this on the search bar. Now, the code is 3AP 6V WND, all right? I'll call it again, 3AP 6VWND. You can type it in all capital letter or just the way I've typed it in small letter is fine. It doesn't matter. Click on the search icon, and if you're a new app user, you're going to be getting the €60 allowance, all right? And they'll take you to a page where you can choose any free thing you want. I can't do that on my app right now because it's not going to be offered to me. I'm not a new app user. I've already used this Shein app to make an order before. I got the free items, okay? You can get it too, all right? So once you're taken to the page for the free items, you have the option of searching for anything you want. You're not just forced to pick only the things they'll show you, right? You're definitely going to see the search button or the search icon, just as you have the search bar here. Is going to be on that page. Search for anything. For me, I got a blender as a free gift. It was the real price for the blender is around €33, and I got it for free. Now, when I say I got it for free, it doesn't mean that I didn't pay anything on that order. No. At the end of the day, I paid only €17 for an order that is worth more than €60. I paid only €17. The blender alone cost about €33, and I ended up paying €5 or €8 for that blender. Right? I'm going to be showing us a proof of what I bought. Yes, so that I'll show us that I'm not lying. Of course, I don't lie on this app. And yeah, I'm clicking on shipped, and this is the blender I bought. As you can see from here, it has been delivered. Yes, so the main price of this blender is €36. If you can see here, I ended up paying only €8 for this blender. All right, it has been shipped. I already got it, and yeah, let me open it up. So this is what the blender looks like. It's a 4-in-1 blender. I literally had to search for this on the page. Like, is that easy? Just search for anything you want, blender, as long as whatever it is you're searching for is within the €60 you're giving. Even if it exceeds it, they're going to deduct the €60, and then whatever money that remains, you just pay for it, okay? I mean, new app users, this is a wonderful deal if you ask me, okay? And I bought other things. I bought other little things. Like, this is one major thing I got, and I felt, of course, I can show you as proof. So I already got this blender. It's really nice, and yeah. So just go on the Shein app. If you're a new app user, if you're not, if you already have the Shein app, you've used it before, you can download it again, sign up with a different Gmail account, and it's going to still work for you, all right? As long as you have a Shein app that you've not placed an order on before, this is going to work for you, all right? 3AP 6VWND. That is the code. Just search for it on the Shein app search bar, and you get the €60 or $60 allowance. All right. So you're going to be getting the opportunity to order goods that are worth more than €60 or within the €60 that you're giving, and you pay less for it. Like, that's a good deal. Anyway, now, and download the Shein app, use the code, and let me know if it works for you. I'll be waiting for the good news in the comment section. All right. If you've watched to this point, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.